Hey YouTube, it's Timtomnaru or MrTimtomnaru here with a video on the an updated, more clear version of Lootbits tutorial for Android. So without further ado, there's a few things you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need to go to the Google Play Store, the thing that I'm moving around right here. So go ahead and open it up. There's two apps that you're going to need. One of them is called Yandex Alpha. If you don't see the alpha version, you can also get this one here, beta, but don't get the one with protect. There's a reason behind that. I'll explain it later. Okay, so wait a couple minutes for this to finish. Now keep in mind that the browser will be in Russian, but the websites and everything else will be in English, so it's fine. Okay, so this is already installed. We're going to go back and install one more app. This one is called Tamper Monkey. So you see Tamper Monkey install. You don't need to get the beta version. This one works just fine. So you don't need a root for this either. So let me go into my settings of this device. Okay, turn root mode off, GPU on. Let's see, generate, cancel. Okay. Okay. All right. So without further ado, I'm going to click restart now, and it's going to restart the virtual device. So there are some rare occasions where the multi-emu will crash, so sorry about that. But anyways, this is, let me see, this one here is the one I just created. I'm not sure why the disk space is so big, but anyways, let me go ahead and start it up. Oh, it's because I changed between tablet and phone. That's kind of dumb, but oh well, it's fine. This is the same process on an actual phone. You just don't have to change any settings because your phone will already be working. So just give it a second. Sorry for that short delay. In fact, I can make this full screen as well, but it won't full screen until after it gets to 100, so I guess I could just wait. Yep, so we'll give this a second. Swipe up. Up, I said. Wait, this is the wrong one. This one I didn't put a password on. Oh, jeez. Where'd the one go that I just created? Is it this one? I think it's this one. Let me try it. Hold on, sorry. 0, 1, 2, and 3, so this is the one I just made. Okay. Oh, here it is. Sorry about that. I did not realize which one I was using, so that was my mistake. This one is fine though. I just updated the Google Play libraries. Haven't really installed anything besides Yandex Lite, and I updated the Google Play games as well as, yeah, see here, as well as installed Tamper Monkey. So anyways, like I was saying, when you first install Tamper Monkey, you're gonna have to open it up at least once. you're gonna have to go to this website that I've mentioned before called Greasy. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put the link in the description. greasyfork.org/en, and then when it says search, you type in Lootbits search, or hit enter or the little search button. The two ones that you're gonna need are the two below the first one, so the second and third. You've got lootbits.io and redirect to lootbits.io. So those are the two ones you'll need. Do not install the first one because it's out of date. You want to make sure to get the one dated August 24 of 2019. So click install. When the thing pops up, it says, do you want to install? Click in TamperMonkey or natively in Chrome. So what we're going to do is click OK. It says installation, yes, or click OK again. Okay, so that's installed. And then when we go back here, click on the little thing in the corner, and then go to, let's see, options should bring you to your dashboard here. Yep, see, it's already here. So just check the box and then click enable, start. That's going to enable it for you. Now you just need one more thing. You need the Lootbits redirect. So scroll down to the third one, click this, click install. Again, click OK, OK. This will do its thing here. Now, if you, for some reason, can't install Yandex, you can also instead, which would probably be a little bit better, to use Chrome. So as you can see, here's Google Chrome here. Just click install. I know most phones it's built in, but this tablet, because I'm using a emulated or a fake device for this tutorial to make it a little bit easier for me to record, so it doesn't actually already have Google Chrome, is what I'm trying to say. So we'll give it a second. Once it loads, you don't have to sign in or save anything. I'll show you how to set up everything. Okay. So just bear with me here, because as soon as this installs, I'll be ready. Click open. Now it's going to open up a new app. Uncheck this, click accept, click no thanks. I don't need it knowing my personal information. Anyways, this is Google Chrome. We're going to close out of it, and we're going to close out of the Play Store. Now we're going to go back to TamperMonkey. Now again, we're going to go to options. Make sure these are both checked and set it to enable. Click start. Okay, there we go. Now we need to go back to greasyfork.org. Now this time what we're going to do, so that we don't have to open the website in TamperMonkey, and we can instead open it in either Chrome or Yandex. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the Lootbits script, but instead of clicking OK, we click cancel to install it in Chrome. So you go to Lootbits, click install. When it comes up, click cancel to natively in Chrome. Okay. Copy. Refresh. Okay, so let's go to Chrome. See, the problem is this Chrome can't have TamperMonkey, but we should still be able to install this script. So let's try this. I just pasted this in here. I'm going to click, well, you probably won't be able to save it from here. No, darn it. Okay, never mind. Again, this is the reason why I'm using TamperMonkey as well as Yandex. I'll show you Yandex. I'm going to get rid of Chrome. Don't use Chrome. That was my mistake. Anyways, keep the scripts installed on TamperMonkey. Open up Yandex here. Yandex Alpha, browser Alpha. Again, don't worry about the fact that the browser is in Russian. Just make sure to turn ad blocking off on Lootbits. That's all you have to do. In fact, you can go to settings and completely disable the ad blocking as well as the pop-up blocking. So give me a second. Okay, search engine should be set to DuckDuckGo or Google. I prefer DuckDuckGo. Notification. Okay, ad blocking should be set to off. And there should be a pop-up blocker thing, and that needs to be turned off as well so that it keeps earning money. Oh, jeez, Pete's. Okay, so the ad blocking is good. Password good. Okay. Autofill. All right. I don't see any. Let me see. There was something here for ad blocking. Hold on. Passwords. Okay, content. Okay, nope, it's good. All right, we're good. Turbo mode should be disabled because we're wanting to use as much power and efficiency as possible. Syncing, just leave that alone. Power saving mode should be set to off. Don't turn on, see? And go back. Make sure your phone or tablet is completely plugged in the entire time that it's running. I can't stress that enough. Also, if you want to change your display settings so your phone doesn't go to sleep, swipe down, click on the little gear to go to settings, just like how I did here. And then we're going to go to display. It should be right here. Make sure the sleep timer, instead of 1 minute, is set to 30. And then go back. You want to go to About Phone or About Device or About Tablet. Click on that. Click on Software. And then once you're in Software, click 10 times on Build Number. And it'll say you're now a developer. Click the back button on your phone or device. Click Developer Options. Make sure this is set to on. Click Stay Awake, set to on. That has to be on. You could leave all this other stuff alone. It doesn't matter. Just make sure Stay Awake is on. That way when you're charging your device, it doesn't go to sleep and stop making you money. Alright, so anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and type in Tamper Monkey Chrome into our browser alpha. Save search. We could just leave this alone for now. Okay. So when we go to Tamper Monkey Chrome website, it's going to not let us install it, so we'll have to go into desktop mode. Where is it? Where is it? Desktop. Here we go. So scroll down, click desktop version. It's going to bring to the desktop version of the website. Click Add to Chrome, and then click Add Extension. See how easy that is? Download started. Pretty soon it'll finish and it'll pop up with a little thing up here. See, so now this is installed. Now all we have to do is go to those two the two scripts that we have earlier and install them in here. So we're going to go to greasyfork.org/en. That's the English version of the website. And then now that we're here, we need to install the two Lootbits scripts, the second and third one here. So install lootbits.io, last modified on August 24 of 2019. Again, make sure to get the one that's modified in August and not the one that's modified in May. So when I clicked install, it should have installed. I'm going to click install again. Okay, and it says reinstall, so it's good. So we'll hit the back arrow here, and then go back to Greasy Fork with the Lootbits search, and this time we're going to install the last one. Redirect to lootbits.io, click install, and it's good to go. Now the only last thing that we need to do to get this completely automated and working is to go into browser alpha here with the thingamabobber installed, the what's that thing called? Not Lootbits, but the script, the tamper monkey. Anyways, if you need to get to your extensions here, just go to the little 3 dots in the corner, click on the little puzzle piece extensions, and then you've got your tamper monkey settings here. But again, you don't need to touch this. Okay, so anyways, let's go to lootbits.io and then hit enter. I'm going to drag this thing onto my other screen so I can enter in my email and password. So just bear with me for a second. I'm going to click sign in. I'm going to enter in my username. Again, you have to use your username, not your email, and your password. And then click the little CAPTCHA. Sorry. So for example, here we have chimneys, chimney, chimney, chimney. There's normally 3, but it could be a lot more. It just depends. Click verify, buses. Again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next. Crosswalks. 1, 2, 3, 8. Next. Traffic lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Fire hydrants. 6. Motorcycles. 4. Okay, and then click sign in. Okay. So, and as you see, click, make sure to click remember and click no. And then click close here. Don't click do not save because you want it to save it. Okay, so you see, and before this thing finishes, see it's automatically opening the things without me touching it. I'm going to click on little thing. There should be a site settings here somewhere. Settings. Where is it? Site settings. Notifications. No, okay. Make sure to uncheck show tableau in the notifications bar. Otherwise, every time you swipe down, you're going to see this crap. See? So now it's gone. Uncheck show Wi-Fi. Okay. Click site notifications. You're going to want to add a second site to that, which is the one that I just told you about. So go ahead and the website that we just went on, Lootbits. So blocked. Okay, that's fine. Go back. Okay, so this is fine. Go back. Okay. Autoplay video should be set to mobile and Wi-Fi. Okay, close all tabs should be set as well. Okay, everything here is good. We'll close out of this. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to close out of the browser though. So when you open it up, we've got to set the home page to the dashboard here. So I'll show you how to do that. We're just gonna click and hold and copy this, and then go into settings. Go to where is it? Not search engine, not autofill. Uncheck this, of course. For the unsecured Wi-Fi, we want to go to the thing where we can change the hold on, change what it starts at. So not seeing that here though. Oh well. Oh, okay, well it's set to automatically start where you left off. So right click, or no, click and hold. No, something, hold on. This is going to bring you to yandex.com, but that's not what you want to do. Instead, you want to add this to your home screen and click add and click remember, click no, close out of this ad. Sorry about it not being kid friendly. And as you can see, it's going back to automatically opening the boxes without me touching it. I'm not touching it, I swear. Oof. Okay, so as you can see, it's still opening them automatically. I'm just going to scroll down so you can see the timer. every time it finds gems, it's open more boxes. Anytime you see this, click remember and click no. Bad. And you should only have to do that a couple times. Even if it keeps popping up, just let your phone charge. It'll play it without needing to touch it at all. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm going to make this a little bit more full screen so you can see it better. Empty box, come on now. Empty box. Okay, cool. So now we're down to 0 gems, 0 boxes left. Yeah. So anyways, so what we can do now is, now that we added it to our home screen, all we need to do is go back to hitting the home button, which is like the little circle thing. And you should see it on here. Hold on. Okay. I'm also going to add it to bookmarks. I think that's all we need to do. So now that we have it added to home screen, so say for some reason you forget the website to go to, just click on the little Y at the top. Okay, click accept. Now scroll down. Come on now. Scroll. Okay, for some reason it's not here. Anyways, you'll find it on your history. Or if you need your bookmarks, just go to edit bookmarks and it'll show up. It's really weird though, but oh well. So yeah, it should automatically open it up since it was the last website that was shown, and the counter will automatically update. As you can see, I have 11 invites. I need a couple more, so if you guys don't already have an account or need a second, third, fourth, fifth account, please sign up with my link, and then when you share your link to your friends, click invite friends and share it. Share my video and tell them to use your link. That way we're kind of helping each other out, you know. So this is the link that I'm going to put in the description here, and if you use this link, that would really help me out, because it's going to give me, see, every time they do this, you get XP. So if you confirm your email, I'm going to be level 5, and I'm going to be very, very grateful, because right now, because of the fact that I'm 8 XP away from level 5 until I get one more referral or like a 6th device that I can run this on, I'm not going to be able to do this, and it's going to reduce the money. Just keep in mind that when you first start earning money, it's going to be very fast and very quick. It will slow down. So what I would suggest to everybody that's using this website is so sorry, I was laughing in a message. Anyways, first to sorry about that again. Keep in mind that the earnings will slow down, and also keep in mind that if you want to keep earning quickly, as soon as you cash out this account, in other words, as soon as it gets to 0.049 bitcoins, you can cash it out, and then after you cash out all of your accounts, make another new account or accounts depending on how many devices you have. So make more accounts is what I'm trying to say, and then every time the account gets to level 4 or 5 and you cash out, stop using that account, because that account is going to be super slow at earning compared to a brand new account that's going to be super quick. So yeah, that's my advice of the day. Again, as you can see, this thing was running completely passively without me touching it. So I'm just going to close out a browser. So the only thing you need to do when you turn on your phone is just tap on browser and let it do its magic. Do not get rid of browser, do not get rid of tamper monkey or either of the two scripts, or it will stop working automatically. Now another thing you can do if you're running this on a computer, you could set it to where you go to, let me see, if you're running this on an Android on the computer like what I'm doing, you could set the app auto start, and turn that to on, and then there should be another option to tell it which app to auto start. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Because if you allow the apps to auto start, what that means is that as soon as you turn on your phone, it'll automatically start um, the app. So I'll do restart later. Okay. Yep. So again, turn on your phone just like normal, tablet, whatever. Click browser, and it's gonna go to the dashboard. If this thing pops up, just click the X on it. You don't need to make it your default. Again, you don't need to get rid of Chrome. Just don't use Chrome for this website, because Chrome is okay, but it's not as good as this, because Chrome's gonna try to block some of the ads, and it's gonna try to, to make it to where you can't automate it. But this one's already automated. As soon as that timer goes down to 0, it's gonna click the Get Bonus button here, and then it's gonna start clicking and opening the boxes. Even if there's ads, it'll keep opening the boxes in the background. Again, if this is on your phone and you don't want it to wake you up, just click the little speaker icon there. Sorry. Try to click it again. Here, make sure to click remember, no. Okay, there. See, now it has a red X next to it. That means that it's not going to make any noise. And what you can also do... Okay, well, it doesn't look like they have a mute site option, but that's fine, because you don't really need to mute the site if it's already muted on here. So you're good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope this helped anybody that was kind of confused or concerned with my previous Android Bitcoin faucet automation tutorial. Sorry, drawing a blank there. Now, previously I suggested to use Bitcoin, or whatever that website is, freebitco.in. I do not suggest that anymore for a couple reasons. For one, because if you try to automate it, they'll end up banning you from Google reCAPTCHA, which means any website that requires a CAPTCHA will pretty much stop you from logging in. It's a real pain in the butt and not worth it. So you'd end up causing more damage and not making any money. So it's better to just do it this way. And again, this website only has a CAPTCHA when you log in, but if you stay logged in on your phone or on your tablet or on your computer, it's not going to log you out. So as long as you don't click log out, it's not going to log you out. So yeah, so I hope this helped. I'm going to be putting a link to, well, no, I'm not going to put a link, because you guys can search for Yandex Alpha on your own, as well as search for Tamper Monkey on your own. The only thing I'm going to be putting in the description is the 2 scripts that you need, the lootbits.io script and the redirect to lootbits.io script. And you can just click on those links from inside of your phone, copy them, and then paste them into Tamper Monkey. And also, once you install Tamper Monkey on the Yandex Browser Alpha, you can paste it into your Yandex Alpha and click install, and it'll install it on there. Yeah. So that's about it. I hope this video helps, and yeah, I'm here if you guys have any questions or concerns. Now, before anybody asks if this is paying or not, there are plenty of videos on YouTube ever since 2017 of people getting paid from this website, and I do not believe them to be fake, because of the sheer amount of videos that there are. So with that being said, I have not been paid from here yet. I'm not going to lie, I kind of gave up on this website, but the reason why I'm still sticking with it is because I figured out why I wasn't earning any money and why the amount wasn't increasing. That was a mistake on my part. So don't be slick like me and think that you're getting one over on them by blocking the ads. Because as soon as you block the ads, you're going to block the earnings, and you're not going to make any money, and it's going to hurt both people in the process, because they're not going to make any advertising revenue, and they're not going to pass the money on to you. So with that being said, do not block the ads on this website. I know some of them may not be appropriate for children, but again, that's not my intention here. I'm just saying that the ads make them money so that they can pay you to make you money. So yeah, anyways, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, sub, and share on Facebook and Twitter. And I will see you guys on the next one. I'll have a 3rd video coming today. This is the Android, and then I'm going to upload the desktop and then some other thing for a pinball. Anyways, enjoy.